Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I have the Qidi 560, and I really like that thing. It's a bush plane, one of my favorites. Got it off AliExpress. And this one is a 3D plane. Never really flown a 3D plane, so I'm not expecting this to go well. But I still brought y'all along, you know what I mean? I'm gonna see what this thing is about. We out here, y'all. I kind of got an idea of what to expect. I'm looking at these wings on the control surface, and I'm guessing that's to slow it down. So me thinking about it, I'm probably going to have to get this thing a little more throttle to keep it in the air and all. Yeah, that slows it down. I'm thinking that's slowing down the airflow over the wing, changing the pressure and everything. So let's look under here. We got a tiny little 550 milliamp hour 2S. I changed the power lead to an XT30. It had a JST on there, a red JST. I figured this would be better for me as far as battery options as well. Let's hurry up and get this thing up in the air. It's kind of cold out here, a little bit of a breeze blowing, and it's early in the morning, y'all. Let's get this thing in the air. It's like 38 degrees out here, y'all. It's really cold. Hopefully this battery isn't affected too much. Okay, yeah, the vertical mode doesn't work, y'all. Let's see if the vertical mode is working. Nope, the vertical mode just pitches down and doesn't do much after that, so we can't go in vertical mode. We can only go in 3D and the other mode. Let's try. Whoa. Whoa. So so you kind of got to ride the throttle to get it to react. I still got it in the self-level mode, just to try to get used to the way this thing controls. All the control surfaces are working now. Whoa! Almost took myself out, y'all. Yeah, it's definitely different, y'all. Definitely different. I'm kind of nervous of putting this thing in manual mode now. Let's see if we can bring it around and land it. Bring it around this way. Try to land it. Sheesh. I'm gonna try to put it in vertical mode, y'all. I know I'm gonna crash this thing already. Let's see. Man, I meant to say manual mode. I already know I'm gonna crash this thing in manual mode. So let's prepare for it, y'all. immediately. Yeah, so I busted it up pretty bad, y'all. Knocked the nose off of this thing, knocked the ESC and the motor out of this thing. Yeah, I gotta get used to this, man. I can't say I don't like the way it flies, because I get it, it's supposed to fly different. But I guess I need more practice. I need to fly this thing out in the open space. The nose is knocked off. The good thing about these little planes is the fact that they're made of foam. You can easily fix these things. They're very easy to repair. All I have to do is get a little glue and put it right there to get this thing back together. And when you glue these things, the glue holds very strong on this foam here, and in fact the spot that you glue will be stronger than every other spot, so it won't be, you don't have to worry about it being a weakness in the spot that you broke it and had to glue it. And so yeah, we're gonna glue this thing back together like that there, and I guess we'll have this thing back out again for another flight. See, y'all thought I was lying, didn't y'all? I fixed this thing already, y'all. So let me try to pull that out. Check it out. So I fixed this thing. It's stronger than it was before. Nose and everything fixed. So we're at a different location now, y'all. I brought this thing out to Squirrel Park. So we're gonna get this thing fired up. And I think my mistake was not putting this thing in gyro mode, well, self-leveling mode to take off with the hand toss, and then put it in the manual mode. That's what I should have did, y'all. But we about to get it straight, inshallah. Let's get it up. I got a little bit of throw here in this mode. Maybe this is the 60 mode. Maybe I've been flying this thing in the wrong modes all along. Let me see. No, just don't have a lot of throw. Just don't have a lot of pitch. I don't know why. It's not giving me any pitch when I'm in acro mode, y'all. So let's see. We're gonna. Yeah, I don't know why it's like that, but let's try fly it. And I wasn't ready for that, y'all. I think the prop might have came loose too. It sounded like it did. And I don't have anything to tighten this prop up on here. Oh, it didn't. I don't know what that noise was though. See if we can take off with it. I don't know why this thing tries to. It tries to go down when you first launch it. Yeah, it doesn't give me a lot of elevator. I don't know why. And it's in the gyro assisted mode right now. Beginner mode. Oh. And I cut the throttle as soon as I know I'm going to crash. I'm going to attempt to fly this thing in manual mode, but I think the elevator and everything isn't moving enough. Oh, it's moving in. It moves in the. Check that out, y'all. Look. This is full up. Full down. It goes down, but it doesn't give me any up elevator. And I don't know why. Maybe it's some trimming I can do. I'm trimming it. That's the most I can give myself, and that's a lot. So let me see if, okay, I think that's what I needed, y'all. Let me see if vertical mode will work. Vertical mode. Oh, the vertical mode might work now, y'all. Let's see if it does. Yep, the vertical mode is working now. A little bit. Really not. Gave myself a little elevator in it though. But we're just gonna go to the 3D mode, y'all. I think we were in 3D mode actually. Yeah, I think we were in 3D mode. This is very confusing, guys. These things be backwards a lot of times. But let's see if this is manual mode or 3D mode. Well, that mode we know we can't fly in. Yeah, the modes are really mixed up, guys. The only flyable mode I found on this thing is the gyro assisted mode. This mode right here. I guess once I get this thing on a multi-protocol transmitter, I'll probably be able to fly the manual mode and everything. But right now I just can't. The down elevator is really fast, very responsive, but the up elevator is really slow. Yeah, I can tell that this thing would be really fun in manual mode if I can get it to be trimmed out correctly. Oh, we're going down. Kind of got the hang of flying this thing now though. To get this thing throttle is the key. You have to give it throttle because it has those built-in flaps just right behind the control surfaces on the aileron, and that slows the plane down a lot, I guess, for doing 3D flying and everything. You know, makes it really floaty but slow at the same time. And so when you're flying this thing and you're trying to turn and all, you have to have speed in order for the turns to go down. In order for the turns to happen, you have to have some type of speed. And so when you come off the throttle, the speed is virtually gone. So you can't really do any maneuvers without giving any throttle. So oh, not in the tree. Come on out of that tree. Stop playing with me. I knew I was in trouble. I'm gonna have to throw something up there. I'm gonna do one more attempt fly it any other mode. Let's see, I think it's gonna go straight down though, y'all. Let's try. Yep. I put it in vertical mode and it tried to go up in the air a little. And then as soon as I put it in manual mode, straight down, y'all. The Qidi 550 3D plane flat out for me. Thanks for watching.